Thinking about buying the best electric pressure cooker, but not sure which one to choose? In today's video, we've researched customer reviews, features, and value to bring you the top 5 best electric pressure cookers of 2026. Whether you need a 5L smart rice cooker or a versatile multi-cooker for everyday cooking, we've got you covered. Product links are in the description, so check them out, and don't forget to subscribe for more top tech and home appliance reviews. Let's get started. Number 5. The first electric pressure cooker features a spacious 5-liter capacity, making it ideal for families of 4 to 8 people. It offers multiple cooking functions, including boiling, steaming, and stewing, all controlled through an easy-to-use microcomputer system. With a durable stainless steel inner pot, electromagnetic heating, and manual pressure release, it delivers fast, even cooking for rice, soups, porridge, and everyday meals while ensuring reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Number 4. This intelligent 5-liter electric pressure cooker is designed for 3 to 5 people, making it perfect for everyday family meals. Powered by a high-performance motor, it delivers fast and efficient cooking, while the microcomputer control system ensures precise operation. Ideal for stews, soups, rice, and slow-cooked dishes, it combines convenience with reliable performance. Its modern design and spacious capacity make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Number 3. This 5-liter electric pressure cooker is built for larger families of 7 to 8 people and features powerful 2200-watt IH electromagnetic heating for fast, even cooking. Its 360 stainless steel inner pot, digital timer, and LCD display provide durability and easy operation. With functions like rice cooking, soup, stewing, reheating, heat preservation, and scheduled cooking, it delivers versatile performance for preparing delicious meals with maximum convenience. Number 2. This 5-liter digital electric pressure cooker features 10-in-1 multifunction cooking, making it perfect for preparing rice, soups, stews, and many other meals. With microcomputer controls, one-touch operation, adjustable pressure settings, and an LED display, it offers simple and precise cooking. The stainless steel body, heat preservation function, overheat protection, and programmable timer ensure safety, convenience, and reliable performance for everyday household cooking. Number 1. This intelligent 5-liter electric pressure cooker is ideal for 7 to 8 people and offers a wide range of cooking options. It can prepare rice, soup, porridge, stews, brown rice, baby porridge, and more with easy digital timer controls. Featuring an LCD display, heat preservation, reservation mode, and underpan heating, it delivers convenient, efficient cooking. A measuring cup and steaming basket are included for added versatility.